Law number 26. Keep your hands clean. Drake's OVO affiliate Chubbs is Drake's right-hand man. Drake referenced him in No Long Talk saying, "Just no man like Chubbs. He's a fixer if I ever gotta fix things." A Toronto rapper named MOG called out Drake and OVO Sound for not paying him for songs that he collaborated on. He put up posts on Instagram saying that they offered him $500 to compensate him for songs he contributed to, and went on to slander Drake and the whole OVO crew. The next week, he posted a picture on Instagram of his face in blood and bruises with the caption, "When you speak from your heart, this is what happens," with the hashtags Dirty Society and Dirty Industry. While he didn't accuse OVO of the assault, and knowing that OVO took credit for the assault, we can safely make the assumption that there is some correlation. MOG also ended up being paid off and deleting all of the Instagram videos with him slandering the OVO brand. Is this a coincidence? Maybe, but let's bring up another story. A music producer named Detail collaborated with Drake on 3 songs off of his Nothing Was the Same album: Own It, 305 to My City, and Paris Morton Music 2. He was seen in multiple pictures with Drake and collaborated on some of Young Money's biggest songs, including How to Love with Lil Wayne. Detail stated that Drake wanted to sign him as an exclusive producer for OVO, and he declined. Detail was then invited by Drake to his Calabasas estate to work on more music. When he arrived, Detail stated that he was greeted by Chubbs and was punched in the jaw. He was then assaulted by Chubbs and heard Chubbs yell, "I will beat your asses, including your bitches. I don't give a fuck. I will hit you again. Do you think Drake is soft? You think Drake's a punk?" Detail did sue Drake, but nothing else was heard from this story since then. Summary: Drake can be seen doing the unpleasant but necessary actions that keeps him at the position he's at, so he must employ other people to do it for him. In this case, Chubbs is Drake's catspaw, who does the dirty work that keeps Drake and OVO Sound from losing their pop audience and street credibility. In these cases, OVO only does the dirty work when Drake publicly co-signed another artist or producer like MOG or Detail. Both of these guys are in pictures with Drake and even on Drake's own Instagram account. Drake can be seen as someone who can be walked over, so he keeps people around that make sure that this doesn't happen, like Chubbs. When you're in the music business where people try to tarnish your name every day, you need to keep your hands clean. It's easier than ever to get into Twitter rants and beefs with other artists and fans alike, but you must keep your hands clean. People tend to not like over-aggressive people, so if you're seen as one, it can hinder your growth as a musician. Make sure to tune in next week Monday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time for another video on the laws of power.